Hello and welcome to Technical Utkranti, and today we are going to see how to determine whether a linked list is palindrome or not. This is the thought for the day. Pause the video and understand it. So these are the questions we have done in linked lists, and this is going to be the 11th question. So this is lead code question number 234. The link of this question is available in the description. Go and try it out and then look at the solution. So we have a linked list like this, and we have to tell whether the linked list is palindrome or not. So palindrome linked list is one in which the starting, if you go from left to right or you come from right to left, the number remains the same. So in this case, it is not the case. So we say that it is not a palindrome linked list by stating false. And the second example over here, if you go from left to right, it is 21412, and right to left is 21412. So this is palindrome and we return true. So that's what is the expectation of the algorithm for this question. Let's see how are we going to do it. So the approach is simple. We will find the middle element using the slow fast pointer approach, which we have seen in the previous questions in the linked list. Then, so as we can see, this turns out to be the middle element of the linked list. Then, then from the next element onwards, after the middle element, we need to reverse the linked list. So this question we have done in DSA 2.10, which is just the previous video. So once we do these two steps, we get this linked list 21421. All right. So we are over here. And what we do is that we place two pointers where firstly on the starting node or the head of the linked list, and secondly on the node from where we have reversed it, or the node next to the middle node of the linked list. And then we start comparing both the values at these pointers. So we compare, we find them equal, and then we move both the pointers one step ahead, and then again compare and find them equal. So this needs to go on until P2 reaches none, which indicates that the linked list is over. So if all the elements this way turns out to be equal, then the linked list is a palindrome linked list. So this is the palindrome method that I had written. And firstly, what I do is I have written the middle method also over here, and I return the position of the middle element. And then from the next element onwards, I reverse the linked list. So for that, the method I've already written over here, and the description of this method I've done in the previous video, which is DSA 2.10. And then what I'm doing is I have one node at the start, keep just at the position next to the middle element. And until that reaches none, I just compare. If any comparison is not equal, I return false. If all the comparisons are equal, I just return true at the end. So I hope this coding approach was clear to you. And I have made a linked list, and this linked list is palindrome. So we'll see this should return true. So as you can see, 2125 is a palindrome linked list, and it has returned true. And let's suppose I break its palindrome nature, and let us see what I get. So I get false here, all right? Because 212521 is not same left to right and right to left. So I hope you understood the implementation, the approach, and you liked the video. And please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.